Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of slides from Adidas. Today is very hot weather, and I'm recording in day, so sometimes cars might go by, more cars. So I've got Adidas Adilette Aqua. They came in this box. I got them on Amazon as first I got them on Adidas side. The package, I got few pairs, but they not delivered two of them, so they gave me refund. So I ordered these ones on Amazon. This is Adidas Adilette Aqua in color. What color? I don't know what's the color. Maybe I will see in the order, but it looks like lime green or some green color. I've got them in US 10, but normally I wear size 9.5 to 10, so this I've got in size 10. So here they are. They come also with this thing. So let's see this paper. They are really lightweight. Actually, it says that USA size man is 9. Actually, it says US size man is 9. And US women is 10. UK size is 9. It says in the inside. So this one looks like this. They are all made from the same material, which is this kind of plastic. On the side we have Adidas sign here. Here we have famous 3 stripes. And on the side here we have something like this, which is a little bit annoying because it's in my way. Hope they were not used. They might have been just yeah, so it looks like this. And the thing is here, the tag. So let's see how they fit me. I try them on, and I will see if they fit me or if they are too big. Here is my look for thumbnail. So the slipper looks like this. Very seems good. Normally I wear size 9.5, and these ones are in size 10. So they seems to fit me. So they can be pool or beach slides, or some casual slides. So I like the color, it's bright and iridescent. Yeah. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. my unboxing. Thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.